Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that works for every beginner, and you can use this on Robinhood. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay guys, basically this strategy is something that I tell all my beginners basically, and I mean even advanced people can use this. I'm using the runners from the day before, or the pre-market runners anyway, is what I look for. So this one is just the first example. You're gonna see that this one was up the other day real early, hit a high, and then started coming back down. Basically stayed low during the day, then the next day fell off again and went low again. And you're gonna see that is kind of a trend with these as well. Got real high pre-market, even hit a high during the market open, and then fell, came back up a little bit, opened up in the morning, had a nice little run, but never got anywhere near back up here, and then fell off again for the rest of the day, even making new lows. Um, STAF, another one. You see it went grinded all the way up pre-market, hit that high, and then started coming all the way down. Even the next day, got a little bit of a push up again, and then fell back down. And now this one is just consolidating, could possibly turn back around. But HEB, you're going to see from the other day, it was an awesome runner pre-market. Even got a push here and then fell hard, got back up, fell again, ran back up the next day, got back up in here, nowhere near where it was, and then fell back down again. Again, third day, pushes back up, and then falls even harder again, and now you're seeing you're at 17 cents. Now you're asking, how am I profiting off of this? Some of you guys know you can short. You can't short on Robinhood. So how do you profit on it, you ask? Of course, it's a great idea. There's a thing called options on Robinhood. I'm not great at options. I know a lot of my students have pointed out that you can use options. You can put, of course, it's you can buy a put or you can buy a regular option. I can't think of the name for some reason. And for it to go up, I'm just having a brain fart on that. But I know puts are saying that the stock is going to go down. You can buy contracts on puts or an option put and go down. So you see the trend on these. SO is kind of one of my long-term holds, but you see it happen in all three of these here. So what you can do is you find the runners from the day before, the pre-market runners. Maybe they ran a little bit during the day. I like to use the ones that ran pre-market and then failed. Just what I would recommend. I know I've had a lot of people make a good chunk of money off this strategy. I talk more about this strategy in my course and go into a lot more details, how to do it, the volume to watch, and everything else. But this is a great strategy in my opinion. So what we're looking for is we're literally just going down. So we're looking for this pre-market spike. It makes these highs, and then you see it as soon as the market opens, or a little after the market opens, it's falling. And then what you can do is you basically just save this over here on a watch list the next day. You go to it, you see it's probably pushing back up a little bit. You can put a put in, write it down, or you can even do it this day, write it down, let it come back up a little bit, write it down, or you can have multiple put plays on this. And that's completely up to you. But guys, this is just a strategy that you can use on Robinhood, because I know Robinhood does not allow you to technically short stocks. So that's why I really want to make this video. People are asking me all the time, how am I making money going short? And how am I telling people that you can on Robinhood? And this is the exact strategy that you can use. If you know how to use, if you can tell that these things are going down on day one, that's awesome for you. I do that a lot. I teach it in my course exactly how to see them. I take you step by step, basically how to find them, how to target them, how to know where the trend is, how to know when it's reversing, and basically knowing when the volume's going to leave and how it's going to react at the open with support and resistance and a bunch of other factors. News, of course, is something that everybody knows about. You got to do your research on those. My strategy, I don't use a whole lot of research. I will pay attention to the news if something big comes out, like they get a huge contract with Apple for $1 billion. Of course, that's something that's going to push it up. But other than that, a lot of stocks will come out with basically BS news, and that allows them to jump up for a little bit, and then you'll notice they fall back down once people actually read into the news and do a lot more stuff with it. With that being said, I want to keep this video really short. If you want more information on my course, either leave a comment or there's a link in the description that'll give you some more information on that. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you thought you learned something on this. That being said, if you know anybody that wants to learn how to trade, definitely share my channel. Subscribe if you don't want to miss any videos. I at least put out one video of actual information a week rather than other people doing it just for fun and giving out really crappy information. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.